Welcome to the Fadi factory. In Madrid, there is actually a blind football World Cup, and it happens every 4 years. So you're probably wondering, what do you mean by blind? Well, all the soccer players are completely blind, and if they're not blind, they wear something over their eyes so they can't see. And as you might have guessed, crashing does happen sometimes. What's special about this game is that the soccer or football used has bells inside of it that lets players know and hear where the ball is at all times. Also, it should be noted here that the goalkeeper is not blind and can in fact see. However, players can still manage to score goals. The goalkeeper also plays a vital role as he acts as a director for his team. The fact that these players are blind and can still play soccer is truly inspiring. Someone invented an airplane that would have the ability to detach and parachute safely to the ground in an event of an emergency. This is how a factory in Vietnam makes holes in designer jeans. Gum getting stuck on sidewalks is a problem in major cities. So it was decided to take all that gum and recycle it to make shoes. In case you're wondering, this is how burger commercials are filmed. The different pieces of burger are placed on rubber bands, and the rubber bands are then cut, and a slow motion camera follows their movement all the way down to the table.
Our servos cut the rubber bands and everything just kind of lined up perfectly. We got really lucky, and as you see in the real-time playback, it happened so fast. Once I had the idea, I realized I was going to need to build something not just for this shoot, but for future shoots that would give me precision control over the timing of all the events.
Thank you so much for watching. If you learned anything new, let us know by leaving a like on this video, and subscribe for more videos.